TradeStation trading service, honest review, watch before using. If you're considering TradeStation for your trading needs, stay tuned. Links to TradeStation are in the description for your convenience. Let's dive into what this platform offers, who it's for, and whether it's worth your time and money. TradeStation is a comprehensive trading platform that caters primarily to active traders and serious investors. It's equipped with advanced tools for stock, options, futures, and cryptocurrency trading. One of its standout features is its customizable trading interface, allowing users to tailor their workspace for maximum efficiency. The platform also boasts high-speed execution, which is critical for day traders, and an array of technical analysis tools with hundreds of indicators, backtesting capabilities, and access to real-time data. For beginners, TradeStation might have a steeper learning curve due to its robust set of features. However, they provide educational resources, including webinars, tutorials, and a simulated trading environment to get users up to speed. If you're someone who trades occasionally, the fees might not justify the usage, as TradeStation is more suitable for high-frequency traders who can leverage its sophisticated tools. Another plus is their API integration and trading automation options. If you're a tech-savvy trader or a developer, you can create custom trading algorithms or scripts to optimize your trading strategies. Additionally, their mobile app mirrors many of the desktop platform's functionalities, so you can trade on the go without compromise. On the downside, some users report that customer service could be improved and that the fee structure for less frequent traders is less competitive compared to other platforms. It's important to assess if the features align with your trading style and objectives. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It supports us and ensures you don't miss out on more honest reviews like this one. Let me know in the comments if you've used TradeStation or have any questions. Happy trading.